Hello everyone. Greetings from the Indian Community School, Kuwait. This video is to help you for your exam in Infotech 802. This paper has part A and part B. Part A is employability skill, which includes communication skills, self-management, ICT skills, entrepreneur, and green skills, which carries 10 marks. Part B is subject-specific skills, which carries 15 marks. Let's move to the question paper. This question paper consists of 24 questions in two sections. Section A carries MCQs or objective type questions, 30 marks, and section B, subjective type questions, 30 marks. Let's start with the unit 1, database consent. There are different types of users like end users, DBA, application programmer, system analyst. There are some issues with normal way of manipulating data, like data redundancy, data inconsistency, lack of data integration. To cope up with that, the DBMS approach is created, which have advantages like reduction in redundancy, improved consistency, improved availability, improved security. There are some terms used in relational database. A row is called as a tuple. A column is called as an attribute. A table is called as a relation. There is degree of relation, which are the number of columns in a table. The number of rows in a relation is called cardinality. There are different constraints. Constraints are nothing but the restrictions on the value. There are domain constraint and key constraint. To know about key constraint, there are some set of keys like super key, candidate key, which refers to a set of attributes that uniquely identifies in each record. Primary key is one of the candidate key selected as a unique identifier. There are null value constraint, entity integrity constraint, database constraint, which include not null, default, check, and key constraint. Referential integrity constraint have on delete and on update. It performs action as set null, cascade, and restrict. There is self-referencing of tables, which references its own tables, columns in own tables. To create a database, we use MySQL as the software. There are two types of commands in MySQL. DDL, data definition language, which has create, drop, and alter. Alter can be used to add or drop any number of columns with some constraint. DML commands are insert to insert the value, update to change any value, delete to delete any value, and select. Select command can be used to display any number of columns. Duplication can be removed by using a distinct keyword. There are some aggregate functions like count, which count the number of tuples in the result, sum, which gives the sum of all the values, maximum, it finds the maximum value of all the values, minimum, which finds the minimum value, and average, which finds the average value of all the values. Syntax for or example is given for all in the PPT. Grouping based on the attributes can be done in SQL. For such grouping, group by clause is added. The next topic in the information technology is operating web. An application that can be accessed via a web browser over a network connection is called web-based application. Online reservation system like airline tickets, railway tickets, bus tickets, hotel booking, car rental, etc. There are some advantages of online reservation system. Advantages to consumer as it is convenient, price comparison, security, confirmation of reservation, making choices. Advantages for providers are requires less staffing, no special restrictions, global access. Precautions while performing online transaction. Make a complex password. Never use the name of your dear and near ones. Be cautious for saving the password. There are different case studies based on application on web, like book railway tickets. It can be asked IRCTC full form, Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Cooperation. There are some advantages in applications in e-governance, that is electronic governance in is the use of electronic tools for governance by the government for the citizen. So initiatives by the government are NICNET, that is the National Satellite Based Computer Network. DISNIC, the District Information System of the National Informatics Center. NEGP, National Governance E-Governance Plan. DITI, the Department of Electronics and Information Technology. Online shopping and bill payment. Online shopping is an e-commerce application where the customers can purchase goods over the internet and the payment will be done online. Online courses and tutorials for education purpose. Webinars are real-time lectures where users participate in the lecture, may ask questions and get their queries answered. There are several online platforms like Khan Academy, Udacity, Coursera, edx.org, etc. The next topic is project management. A project is a task that is undertaken to create a unique product. A project has beginning and end. A project has finite resources that are required to complete the project. A project complete when it ends and objectives are achieved. There are certain steps involved in the development, such as requirement definition phase, design phase, implementation phase, and testing phase. The next topic and very important topic is fundamental of Java programming. A sure 4-mark question will come from this. Java is very popular high-level programming language. A Java compiler, instead of translating Java code to machine code, translate it into Java bytecode. A Java interpreter called as JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java is platform independent and highly portable. There are certain terms used in Java. A package in Java is a group of related classes. There are comments to provide explanatory notes to the other people. There are two types of comment, single line comment and multi-line comment. There are methods in Java. A method is a group of statements written to perform a specific task. There can be user-defined methods too. There are different types of data types like primitive and non-primitive data type. There are operators like arithmetic operator, relational operator, assignment operator, and logic. The next topic is arrays. Arrays are variables that can hold more than one value. Example is given in the PPT. A class is a physical or logical entity that has certain attributes. Constructors are the data members that is declared but not initialized before using. Access modifiers there are three types of access modifiers: public, private, and friendly. When the access modifier is private, there are getter and setter method used to access the data members outside the class. A getter method returns the value of a data member, a setter method to set the new value of a data member. Java libraries to use a pre-built class and associated method. To take user inputs, we use pre-built scanner class. This class is available in java.util package. Array manipulation. There is a sort method used in array manipulation. On sorted array, binary search is used to help us search for a specific element. String manipulation. We can perform string manipulation in Java such as char add, concat, contain, endswith, index, etc. The next topic is exception handling. Some of your programs, when executed may have terminated unexpectedly with runtime error. Normally, divide by zero is called as exception. There are three blocks such as try, catch, and finally in exception handling. Assertions. An assertion is a useful mechanism for effective identifying, detecting, and correcting logical errors. There are two ways to create threads. One, by extending the thread class. Second, implementing the enable interface. Wrapper class. The primitive data types such as integer, float, uh, in Java are passed by value and not by reference. That is called wrapper class. The next and last topic is work integrated learning, DMA. Database management systems have found application in various domains as they provide efficient storage and fast retrieval. There are certain sectors as education, banking, government sector, and e-commerce. One example is given how to solve the questions in this work integrated related on product and create the schema of product, which are the fields we can create, which data type can be used, and the remarks given for each. It is mentioned in the example below. Thank you. All the best from the Indian Community School, Kuwait. Do well in your exams.